Everyone, today I'm going to discuss what is a death cross event in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or whatever kind of trading is out there. It's very important event that happens every now and then. It doesn't happen every day, but it does seem to happen every few months or maybe once, at least once a year. Um, but it is very important event because when this happens, a lot of the price of anything, for example Bitcoin or whatever crypto assets or other assets you have, it will have negative impact, because normally death cross event means that the price will drop. But what is a death cross event? It's a very simple thing actually. If I just could show you, this is a Bitcoin chart, and if you look at it, basically what's happening is, you see here, here and here, two lines, the purple line and the yellow line or orange line, whatever you call it, those lines are crossing over each other. Now this is basically, if I can explain to you with an example, a very simple one really. Imagine there are two friends, right? One friend is tracking the price of Bitcoin, and in a 1 month time frame, for example, how did the price move within 1 month of for a Bitcoin. And then there's another friend who's also tracking a price for the same Bitcoin, but instead of a 1 month, but over a 1 year period. So two friends tracking a price of the same same asset. One is using 1 month time frame, and the other one is using 1 year time frame. What happens is, what they track is that the moving average price, which is, if you know what the trade in moving average is, you will know that is simply tracking the price and watching that what was the average price for a Bitcoin in a particular time frame. For example, if there are two friends, one is average tracking a price in a 1 month time frame, so he will be looking at the average price within that month. And then there's another friend who's tracking the price in a 1 year time frame. Then he will be looking at what was the average price for Bitcoin, for example, in that 1 year time frame. So two friends, this is what death cross is, that the two moving averages in 1 month period, a short term and a long term 1 year period, are tracked, though average prices are tracked. Now whenever the short term price, which is 1 month time period, crosses below a long term price, for example, as you can see here, that price is crossing down, and here again it crosses down before moving up again. So whenever this event happens, where short-term price movement crosses long-term price average towards downtrend, for example, when it goes down, short-term price, then it means that it's a death cross event. So again, if the short-term price average was, let's say, whatever is showing here, and long-term price was also at some point the same, but then short-term price movement goes even below the long-term average price of Bitcoin, then it is called death cross event. Normally it's considered a negative event, meaning after when this event happens, normally traders or the serious trader will not trade or will close their positions because they expect price to go down. When that event happens, normally market will retrace, or the price will go down, and then a lot of people who are not aware of this end up losing money. So it is important that you keep an eye on it. Now luckily in 2023 we had a similar cross down death cross event for Bitcoin in September 2023, as you can see somewhere around here. And when price crossed or reached near cross levels, it went down. But after that it was only short lived. Luckily it only lasted about a month or so, and then price rebounded again, it went up. So this is what a death cross event is, simply tracking the average price in 1 month and 1 year time frame. Okay, now it is not more complicated than that. Finally, I would just say one more thing, that it is not guaranteed, or it's not a definite thing that whenever a death cross event happens, price will definitely go down, because there are always a lot of different factors as well. But death cross is considered an important event when it happens, and it does have some impact, and some price movement downtrend does happen. So it is important for you to know what this is, or how to what this even means. I hope this has been useful for you. If you have any questions or anything that you would like me to explain or go over, you can comment me on that. If you like the video, do like it. And if you want to listen or watch more videos like this, follow my channel, subscribe, and I will bring more educational videos like this for you. I hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching.